How to fix Discord overlay not working. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the Discord overlay not working. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how we can fix it. So in order to fix the Discord overlay not working, there are different methods you can apply up. So let's just dive right into the video for that. So the number one method you can apply is head over to user settings first. So once you are here under user settings, from this menu, you can scroll down and head over to game overlay option. This is under activity settings. Go ahead and locate it up, and here you should be finding this option enable in game overlay. Make sure this option is turned on because that may be the reason why you're not able to overlay in Discord. And then go to register games as well. And here, if you have added any game here like this, you need to turn on this option of overlay for that as well. You can toggle on this overlay. So apart from that, another method you can apply up in order to fix the overlay not working for Discord is heading over to Discord again in the same settings, and this time you need to go to advanced. So you can head over to advanced tab here, and here you should be finding hardware acceleration. So what you need to do is make sure this option is turned off. You can just go ahead and change the hardware acceleration and click on OK, and it will restart your Discord and refresh everything of your Discord. Once that is done, the next method you can apply up is head over to settings of your device. And from settings, head over to update and security, and from there, go to virus and threat protection. So from Windows security, you should be finding this. You can just go ahead and locate it up. And what you need to do is head over to the manage settings from here. And from here, if you have added an exception if you have not added exception for Discord, you need to go ahead and add exclusion for Discord. Once that is done, the next step you can do is simply uninstall the Discord and reinstall Discord, and that is it for now. So for now, these are the methods you can apply up in order to fix the Discord overlay not working. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.